We have featured a whole lot of smartwatches here, and most have at least one or two great characteristics that make them a pretty good buy, especially if you are looking for those specific features. But if you are interested in a watch that scores highly on all fronts and don't mind paying a little extra for the full package, it might make sense to check out the brand leaders in the smartwatch market. We are covering one of these leading players today in our review, the Gear Fit2 from Samsung, and trying to see why this series has remained so popular the world over.
Here we go!
Samsung has scored many hits in recent years across the consumer electronics segment, both in terms of looks and functionality, and the Gear Fit2 seems to continue the company's good run. It's a really smart-looking timepiece with a distinctive, slim, black-colored body that is water-resistant and can withstand harsh exercise conditions, come sweat or rain. The large-sized watch we are featuring here fits wrist size between 6.1 and 8.2 inches, but you can opt for smaller sizes too. The easy-to-read Super AMO LED display is one of the highlights of the watch's design. A convenient charging system where you just place the watch on the included cradle is also a very useful addition. The Gear Fit2 is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones, and the Samsung Companion app enhances its performance significantly. But the area where this watch really scores is in its advanced activity tracking ability. It accurately keeps a tab on your calories burned, floors climbed, sleep quality, and more, making your fitness goals easier to achieve. The integrated heart monitor also measures your heartbeat without the need of an additional strap. If you are into sports, the Gear Fit2 can prove a perfect companion. It automatically identifies the type of activity you are involved in and can distinguish between running, cycling, and a number of other actions. It's even great for your daily yoga or Pilates session, with a useful summary of your exercise made available to help track your progress. The built-in GPS, not seen in most watches, is a wonderful add-on. It helps track your movement more accurately and maps your run too without having to carry your phone along with you. Another feature that makes it truly stand out is its ability to function as a standalone music player. You can store your own music on it or connect it to Spotify to access millions of songs. You can also access many other useful apps along with a 1-year free membership to Under Armour premium apps. And the standard notification feature for your important calls, mails, and text messages is all there as well. With its impressive suite of features and stunning looks, the Samsung Gear Fit2 is a great device to wear all day long and keep yourself motivated to meet your fitness goals. No wonder it's been a bestseller since its launch, with an incredible 2,500 plus customer reviews. Its average score from these reviews is 3.5 on 5, with the only slight bother being its battery life. But, on the whole, the many features seem to make it a very popular buy at its competitive price point. That's it from us now on the Samsung Gear Fit2 smartwatch. Check out the description below for the links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other smartwatch reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.